Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Snapchat cannot change username. For that, the first thing that you must do is check the yearly limit. You can only change your username once every 365 days. If you changed it earlier than this year, you will need to wait until the next year to do it again. The other thing that you can try and do is choose a different username. Make sure that the username that you are trying to use is unique and is not used in profanity. The other thing that you can try and do is, instead of changing your username, you can change your display name if you had changed it before. If you had changed your username recently. Sometimes you may also have to head over to settings on your device, tap on apps, tap on Snapchat, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the cache of Snapchat. If you check all boxes and you're still not being able to change your name, you must head over to your app drawer, search for Snapchat in the search bar, long press on Snapchat, uninstall it and reinstall it from the Play Store. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.